2, 1. Okay, so let's get back into it. Yet again, yours truly, Dre the Plug, putting you on to another dope technical product. So this is the Gourmia digital air fryer. Pretty much everybody was telling me like, Andre, you need to get like an air fryer. It's a game changer. I'm surprised you don't have one. You're supposed to be in tech. But here you go. This is basically a touch screen one. It's pretty dope, as you can see, with all of the different options, with the pictures, with the temperatures, with the different adjustments and settings. Let's get into this review. So the air fryer comes with this user manual, right? And this is a really good one to keep. You don't want to throw this one away. I know most electronic products, when you get it and you get instructions or manuals, you kind of really don't need it and you just toss it. But this one, I'll definitely say hang on to this. As soon as you take this out of the box, take pictures of different things that's inside of it, because it's definitely going to be useful, because there's a lot of numbers in here that you don't want to just remember off the top of your head. If you can have this stashed somewhere and you can instantly just refer back to it. Okay, so jumping into the display and sound, right? So as soon as you get started with the air fryer, what you're gonna do is open it, or you can select whichever type of item you want to use, whatever is closest to whatever you're gonna cook. Just click whichever picture is closest to it. And then it'll instantly start preheating the whole entire air fryer once you close it, or you can just select whatever and it'll start preheating. So regardless of what you do, what you cook up, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna preheat, just as you would do if you was actually gonna cook something up in the oven. It's kind of just like a built-in setting for the air fryer. It'll instantly just preheat, and then right after that, you'll add in the food, and then at that point, it'll actually start to cook, start to go to the exact type of setting, whichever type of heat setting that you pretty much clicked on that's related to the one that you selected in the beginning. And then right after that, it'll kind of let you know, it's been cooking for a certain amount of time. Now it's kind of, it's about that time for you to turn the food, or just, make sure that it's not getting burned or anything, or just check up on it and kind of like, I'll just take it all the way out and kind of just shake it up a little bit, and I'll just slide it right back. And then once the time goes out, it'll pretty much just say end, and that will let you know that your food is ready. Okay, so this is your preset chart booklet, right? So this right here actually allows you to go in and see all the numbers. It's like a little cheat code booklet, really, because I mean, it's already kind of preset for all the different ones, but with having this, you can actually know what's going on, how much time it's gonna take, or what's the defaulted time, what's the time reminder, what's going to be the preheat, and the actual temperature, which is the most important, right? You're going to want to know the temperature. So as you can see right here, right there, have like all the icons, so you get to see your air fryer, fries, wings, bacon, seafood, vegetables, bake. You have your roast, oil, you have dehydrate, and you have reheat, and then it says right here keep warm. So yeah, you have all your temperatures right there, which are different times, which are different, preheat, and then lastly you have your turn reminder, which some of them are on, some of them are off, depending on what you want to do. It's all up to you. You can go in and manually change it to whatever you like. Okay, so let's get into a real life example, shall we? So basically, I done pretty much cooked seafood, shrimps, popcorn shrimps, fries, bacon, salmon, bread. I done threw in quite a few things inside of here for sure. And I think like the most clutchest one would definitely have to be bacon, because 9 times out of 10 when you're cooking bacon, you kind of gotta watch it, you kind of gotta look at it and gauge exactly how crispy you want it to be. But it's like with the air fryer, you can basically set a whole lot of strips of bacon in here and just set it to a certain point in time of how crispy you'll want it to be. And of course, you can keep opening and close it, opening and close it, and it'll still save at the time of its cooking or the remaining time that's left. So it's good to just, have like 6, 7, 8 strips of bacon just cooking at once, and they're all pretty much all at the same exact level. So jumping into it, as you can see, it is on. I actually select the bacon. As you can see, you have your temperature right there. then see it's gonna be on count. Then I'll hit start. And this is basically the preheat setting right here. Oh, I could already feel it getting hot. Just set this down and I'll get back to you guys once the preheat is done. So yeah, now as you can see, the preheat is over with now. So if I just select bacon now, same thing, you can see the actual temperature now. And instead of saying the preheat, you'll just see the amount of time that it'll take for it to cook. So as you can see, the air fryer is completely finished. So people wanted to know in other videos about the air vents. They was curious, where did the air actually go and flow in and flow out? So for this one specifically, it's at the back of it. And then on top of that, it's right by the feet of the device. As you can see, there's like little vents right there. So that's pretty much how this one operates. So you got the back and then you have the bottom. Before I just close it out, I definitely want to show you guys some other settings. So let's say you turn it on. And then let's just say you go to temperature, or you just want to do like a custom timer or a temperature for what you want to do. You can go in and change it to whichever degrees you want. Then once you're done, switch over to the time, switch it to whatever you want. And then once you're done, you'll just hit start. And again, you will get the preheat. And then once that's completed, it'll actually finish cooking whatever you have cooked up that you have already in mind for what you want to make for dinner, lunch, or breakfast. But yeah, I definitely recommend getting this air fryer. It costed me about $40. I think the original price was $60. It was like on sale for like $40. So yeah, definitely pick this up. I got it from Walmart and it's definitely clutch. Definitely saved me a lot of time, especially if you're in the middle of already doing something, you're about to go somewhere, or if you're in the middle of throwing a party, you just want to cook up something real quick. This is definitely the tool that you will want to use real quick to make something happen. And that concludes this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really do help my channel when it comes down to the YouTube algorithm. If you guys have any questions regarding anything, just hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on the gram at DreThePlug123. And then also go check out my other YouTube channel. This is actually my second channel. My first one was called ClassicCuts. I basically go in and give tutorials about all types of different haircuts. I actually show people how to do different type of things with the clippers that has never been done, and I pretty much go into detail as to why certain things happen. So definitely go check out that channel. Besides that, be on the lookout for my next content that's dropping. Be on the lookout for it because it's coming real soon. And I'm out.